Alright, action.
Hold on, wait. Come back. Oh. Crap. Wait.
Okay, now go. Action.
It's just burning them, not exploding them.
It's not exploding? Yeah, it is. There it goes.
Uh-oh. Oh, I thought... Whoa!
Look at it. I'm trying to record it. Where's the lava?
Up there?
Is it going to the ground?
No.
I think it's it's trying to.
It's trying.
Yeah, it's trying to.
Oh, no. My hard work. We weren't that far away from your house, by the way.
Alright, now the lava's going down.
Uh-oh. Okay. We froze for a second. Wait, where is the lava? Oh,
Up there.
Whoa. Hey. What?
How's it still exploding stuff?
I think it's lagging. It's still, like, exploding the ground, too. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Every time I move. Oh, there's our miniature one. It's kind of expanding out. It exploded them.
It's gonna take a minute. Oh, it's almost there. What are you doing?
I might be right under it. I definitely am. No, I'm not. I'm right next to it.
What are you doing?
Making a thing for our water.
I thought we already made one.
It exploded.
Oh, man. Look, you're totally missing. What are you doing?
Is it down yet?
I don't know. I can't see it. It looks like it.
Why are you caressing me with your dog? Stop caressing me with your foot.
What are you doing, honey?
Shh. Leave the master to her work. I'm the one who wasn't the one who asked if we could try lava. Hello?
And we froze.
We keep freezing. What do you mean? It is down.
See, I told you.
I never said anything about it.
You said you didn't see how that was logic.
No, I said that about the lava with the TNT. The water goes down way faster than the lava. Now, how do we do that?
You cut the water off. You cut it off, like you put a block over it.
Well, no, how do we make the house?
The house is already made. You just got to cut the water off now.
How is the house made?
Look all the way down. Okay, wait for it to completely go down. Wait for it. Okay, and now put the block over the water. Yep.
Oh, not that.
Yeah, don't do that.
Not again.
Alright, now wait for the water to disappear.
How is that a house?
Hold on. Wait for it to go all the way down.
What are you watching?
It was on Facebook. It was a video on Facebook I watched.
How is that a house?
Go all the way down to the bottom. Now go to the other side where it's longer. Right there. And then go all the way down to the bottom on the ground and make you a doorway. I think we made the thing too big. Because that's supposed to be gone. Unless maybe we're supposed to cut off the lava too. Oh, see, there it is. Go, get up. And then we just got to make that lava go away.
It disappears
it did.
as soon as you open it.
Huh.
How is this a house?
Look up.
This is too tiny.
No, it's not. Because you can make spiral staircase.
Still, how is this a house?
It's a tower.
You still gotta make the house.
But the structure's already made.
No, it's not.
It is.
Bro, Rapunzel.
Okay, you're a buzzkill. Love you, Sky.